Today we explore 13 magnificent living room interior designs in Los Angeles homes, each adorned with the timeless beauty of travertine stone. These spaces are a testament to opulence and sophistication, carefully curated to embody the essence of upscale Californian living. In these sumptuous interiors, you'll find an exquisite integration of travertine stone that serves as both a canvas and a centerpiece. The natural elegance of this stone infuses each room with a sense of grandeur and warmth, creating a truly luxurious atmosphere. Click the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more awe-inspiring interior designs. Warm color palettes, inspired by the Californian landscape, wrap you in an inviting embrace, making these living rooms the perfect retreats for relaxation and entertainment. High-end furnishings take center stage with plush sofas, designer coffee tables, and elegant lighting fixtures that add a touch of glamour to the space.